It's the end of the year, the holidays are around the corner, and this means two things. First of all, we have made new Nürburgring sweaters, the traditional ones and also very exclusive merino wool ones. Go to nürburgring.com, enter Misha Christmas 25 code to get additional 10% discounts on all the products. The sweaters, the books, the socks. What else do we have? Some more will be added actually soon. We're going to be having calendars. But for that, subscribe, stay tuned, and most importantly, enjoy the content. I think it's the first time, no, I'm lying. I want to say it's the first time I'll be driving SAAB on the channel, but no, I've done a convertible, a slow, chilled lap. And I've been a passenger with my ex-teammate Tristan, of course, in his. But this one is a bit track spec-ish.
A bit track spec.
Yeah.
Well, I saw your other two videos and I said he still hasn't driven one on a track, correct?
Yeah.
So, you say Tristan one did a really good job explaining everything. I'm probably not going to be as good as he will, so I feel like I click the link above and I put the link above.
Yeah.
But yes, this is prepped. It's basically OEM spec, so nothing major.
It has Lego. That's very good.
Yeah, that's why I guy in the UK, a kid, he was putting them together, sending for a charity in the UK.
Yeah.
He was like, yeah, send them to me. So.
Nice, nice, very cool. We are on NS2R tires. Which pads we're running? Which brake pads?
Oh, yellow stuff.
Yellow stuff,
Pretty
EBC. Off the shelf. Looks like different discs as well.
Yeah,
EBC.
MTEC discs.
Okay,
I
MTEC.
know, but
Team Dynamics. And anything suspension-wise?
Suspension-wise, so Billich Team V6 and Ironback springs.
Nice, 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 nice. We have some weight reduction here, it seems.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, well, it was actually sticking out, so technically it was drag. So we just removed the drag. And
Nice.
Bit of a...
Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah.
What's underneath the bonnet? 4-cylinder?
Underneath is a 4-cylinder. It's the Ecotec engine.
Can we have a look at it?
But
Because
it's
it's quite a rare gem. We don't see many of those.
Yeah, it's not the prettiest engine to look at.
No, yeah, but still, we'll have something underneath to look at. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Lots of yellow matching stuff.
Yeah.
Strut brace and all that stuff. It looks all nice and dry. That's what we like about the older engines. So that's important. Yeah, I don't know. Is there anything else to mention? Power?
Power-wise, well, it was an Aero, so factory, they're about 210. But in typical SAAB fashion, maybe one of the reasons why they went a bit bankrupt, they decided to forge a lot of the engine just for the... Why not?
Yeah.
Maybe one day someone wants to turbo it. So at the moment, it's what you in the SAAB community call Stage 3 Plus, so about 270, 280.
Okay.
But 420 torque, so a ton of torque.
Nice, nice. And all on the front wheels?
All on one front wheel.
On one front wheel? Open diff? Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, should be good. Should be good. All right. Let's check out those airline dials. Oh no, it doesn't have the airline spec, or does it? Like the what's it called? The fighter jet SAAB.
Oh, it does. Yeah, yeah. It's the same as Tris one, so same.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, so we can all dim it completely.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's go. Wow. Yeah. That's for you. All right. We made it onto the track with some drizzles coming in. Actually, today we're gonna have a thunderstorm, so who knows? We might be surprised by having to rely on not the aerial capabilities of a SAAB, but nautical. We will have to swim. We will see. But otherwise, we're gonna try to enjoy as much as we can. Hopefully, we're gonna have a dry lap. And we might have a wet lap or something in between. Nürburgring is like a Nürburgring lap is like a box of chocolates. Never know what you're gonna get. All right, TC off of fur. Oh no, he hit the cone. Oh, he's so fast. Oh no. I wonder if it already started drizzling and something didn't go according to plan.
Really, it's my favorite sequence.
Yeah, it's very nice, but it's also very wet. Oh, it looks like a trail of coolant. Look at that. That's something that you do not want to hit.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, wow. Yeah. Yeah, I'd rather be caught in a thunderstorm than hitting a trail of this. That's unfortunate.
Yeah.
Oh, full wet.
Yeah. I hate these tires in the wet there.
Yeah.
I should have brought the conti's after all.
Yep. That's it for today, folks.
Yep.
On the last moment that got us.
Yeah. They need to dip.
Yeah.
Whoa. I was already sweating from the heat, now I'm sweating from different things. way faster than I would try it.
Driving fast. Just gonna do it.
Oh, first time ever. Oh man. SAAB getting a Porsche like that.
I mean, we're still gonna get it probably.
Yeah.
After the yellow. Whatever.
It was building nicely.
Yeah.
Gee, that was building.
Can you imagine doing it in Brunch in front of everyone?
Oh no.
Oh.
This is what they're on.
We're jamming. I wanna jamming with you. Hope my driving is better than my singing.
I had to recalibrate my mind the first time I put proper tyres on this. Now I have to recalibrate again, having had you driven. Now I'm like, oh, it can do that. Right. Yeah.
Easy.
Lovely bang, yeah. God bless the Catholic for that. Dry lap, not too bad. And even in the wet it was nice. Even the wet, man.
Yeah, great car.
Yeah, I was gonna ask, how would you find it?
Yeah, it's good. I mean, it's pushing the 300 mark of horsepower, so like 280, which is today it's like baseline for normal cars almost pretty much, especially combined with the weight. But that's all you need actually. I mean, so power it's enough. Brakes it does well as well. It brakes, it stops, it turns, it passes everything. So what else do you want? You have comfort, you have something unique, something rare, classic that's not being made anymore. Sad.
I think it's part of the allure though, the fact that it's not being made anymore. I don't think they'll have the same allure they were. They'd be all electric by now, knowing SAAB.
Yeah, I mean there were lots of rumors that Koenigsegg might do something but
which would have been amazing. I mean, that would have been a perfect time.
Yeah, SAAB with Koenigsegg tech.